Oh, Maggie, it is a great sin to treat me like this and do what you've done. Maggie, you ken that I love you sincere. You're breaking my heart at this time of the year. Oh, Maggie, I'm liking to choke. Come back and I'll buy you some nice almond rock. I'm deep in love with a bonny wee lass, but I don't think she cares much for me. Because the last time I met her, I told her that I would do anything for her. In fact, I would die. She turned round and tells me she thought I was Sam, but she fair broke me up when she said, marry you? Och, a woman, you're daft. She doesn't care for me, not a little bit, I say. She is what the neighbors call a lady. I've known her all her life. I would like to have her for my wife, 'cause I've loved her ever since she was a baby. I took her one night for a walk down the glen, and I told her I'd love her sincere. I told her I was saving up all my bobbies to try and get spliced to her at the new year. But now it's all over, she's taken the hop. I have a tear on my nose and I'm not